ask those people, have they been to the United States? Because if they say the women here are masculine, go to the United States, you know.
They're more masculine than they are here.
I mean, is it normal for Kenyan women to try to fight men?
No.
Okay, then you haven't seen masculine women.
Women here are more submissive than women in the States. Like, here, I've been in a relationship and I never had a woman try to stab me with a knife. Like, that literally happened to me in the States. Women in the States are way more masculine. So when we say women are submissive, they are more submissive than the women in the States.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Natskunda Esther. If you're new here, hi, welcome. If you like my content, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share, and let me know what you think in the comment section about passport bros in Kenya speaking out. I loved this interview, ladies and gentlemen. I found it on Lynn Ngugi's channel. You can definitely go watch it. She is like a YouTuber girl here in Kenya, like one of the best, cream de la cream. And she had the two men themselves that are making Kenyans talk day and night about passport bros, whether they have the rights to exploit Kenyan women, quote unquote, not my words, or they don't.
You know, the allegations of the passport bros being they're exploiting women for maybe sexual gains or just for pleasure, but I don't see anything long term with them.
I don't think anybody's exploiting it. I mean, what do they get out of me? They get dinner or Uber, you know, or maybe they get their nails done if they ask. It's not like they're getting a house out of me. And what am I getting out of them? You know, what is the exploitation that they come up with?
People feel like we're coming here, we're going to like Cabrera or something like that, finding like women who are destitute, they have nothing, and dating them. No, spending time with somebody from a different culture and learning their culture and building connections, if you consider that exploitation, then I guess, but nah.
Me, I will never complain about black Americans being passport bros, that they are exploiting Kenyan women. White men are exploiting Kenyan women even more and furthermore. From today onwards, you will never hear me complain about passport bros. Austin Oleman, I thought he's the serial passport bro. I will never complain about you again. After what I saw in a Kenyan club, honey, you can do everything that you want, because I am not trying to say Kenyan women are cheap. But all I'm trying to say is, if a passport bro did not force anybody, and these girls are literally giving themselves away for free, I want you to know, the white man is even getting that same girl for free, y'all. According to what I saw. So here's my 2 cents, and I need you to tell me what you think after watching that interview. I have gone out to clubs in Kenya. I'm just going to start with the clubs. I've gone to a few different restaurants, not so many, but I must say the clubs, okay? Not even clubs. I have gone to one club so far. It's very famous in Kenya, and it's called Alchemist. Yeah, I'm going to upload the entire club nightlife in Kenya that I experienced at that club. And let me tell you, nobody has the rights to tell passport bros what to do and not what to do to Kenyan women at this point. Please don't come for me in the comment section if you're Kenyan. This is according to my experience, what I saw in Kenya. Childs. I didn't see any African Americans, probably because, of course, I was minding my own business and everybody was jumping and dancing. But let me tell you, if there's one person who was in my face, it's the white man. And again, white people, y'all know I love you. It's just there. I'm talking. White men are the prize in Kenya. Cream de la cream of men, clear cut, period. And no one can dispute this. Kenyan people, don't come for me in the comment section. If you do not agree with my sayings, please argue with your grandmother or Ruto. I'm sorry, but like, I mean it. Kenyan women that I have seen treat white men like they are God. The moment an African American, a passport bro, comes and says something on the internet or like that's something with Kenyan women, They are all over their business and they're trolling them on the internet. Now, I'm not trying to, be a person who is protecting possible bros. That could be doing things that I don't know of. But let me tell you, I don't know these passport bros personally, but all I'm going to say is an African American passport bro, I'm sure after convincing the girl with his American accent, he will have to buy a drink. They don't have the privilege of the white man in Kenya. The white man, all he has is his skin tone. That's it. His skin tone covers up for the accent. We don't care if he speaks good English. We don't care if he buys a drink or not. We don't care if he even buys water. He can touch as for many women plus the way he wants. And I tell you, at the end of the day, he will walk away with 2 of them.
Nah, I don't feel like I have an edge over Kenyan men. Like, this is what you got to realize if you travel around the world. Most women in their country prefer their local men. Because think about it, like the percentage of foreigners in any country is not going to be greater than the local men. So how can we have an edge? Like, there's probably certain women that wouldn't even give you the time of day because they want to date a Kenyan man. They want to have the same culture. Like, okay, if you're Kikuyu or whatever, they want to have the Kikuyu culture and they've been brought up a certain way. I might be exotic. That's the only thing I can say. Like anybody that's like, if it's a small supply of something, it is going to be in higher demand. So I might be exotic, but I don't feel like that gives me an edge.
You planning on settling here for a long time and starting a family here, or you just try different relationships? Or
I've been to 22 countries. I dated in those countries. You think I'm just going to come here like bright-eyed and be like, oh, I can't see somebody's like, oh, if she's a slay queen, I can't see that she's at the club 5 times a day. I mean, not 5 times a week. I can't see that guys are always texting her. Just like on the flip end of that, I can't see a girl who's has a great job. She's family oriented. She's has goals, like she's trying to do things with her life. I can't see that.
Check out my channel because this is where I put such nonsense. I looked and I looked and I looked right and I looked left and I was like, I must never judge passport bros in Kenya because white men in Kenya are doing the most of passport broing, even at the cheapest price, just having their skin tone.
are you trying to get married to a Kenyan chick or anything?
Yes, but I do know that you have to investigate for a while first because all the women are not trustworthy. I will agree with the locals on that because they can have a lot of friends, a lot of male friends, the same way I'd have a lot of female friends. So you can't trust all of them, but I've met plenty of them that are good to marry. I'm just not ready.
I think you can find a great Kenyan wife here. Like, I think out of all the countries I've been to, I feel like East Africa in general, yeah, the women here are awesome. Like, I would say this one thing, you have to vet the person.
Let the men do whatever they want to do because the white man is doing that times 10. We watch Shira 7 as women. And you know what Shira 7 tells us? You're a woman. You are the prize. You don't chase, you attract. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. White men in Kenya took that literally. White men, they are the women in Kenya. The women in Kenya are the white men. The way we think white men are supposed to be when they see a black girl to chase and do everything. Black women in Kenya, they are the white men. The white men in Kenya, I'm sure Shira 7 is their best friend. Yeah, let me tell you. I sat in that club and I saw how desperate Kenyan women were for white men. Yeah, let me tell you. I always complain that all black men always give us the bare minimum, most especially in my country, because those white men that I saw in the club, the cheapest thing that they could even buy is a pack of cigarette. Honey, nothing. They just come, they stand. They stand in front of the Kenyan girl that they like. And they don't say anything. They don't say anything. The Kenyan girls do the chasing. I saw Kenyan girls sitting, sipping on their drinks. They're doing the most for themselves. The moment they see a white man coming close to them, oh my God, I saw things. I saw things. I have never seen a 3. to the sum in my entire life. I don't know if what was missing was for me to see it visually, like without the clothes on, but like I saw it in the club. And let me tell you, this one man was just there minding his own business, and then this girl was coming, trying to converse with him, and then another girl can push the other one away. The moment we were about to get out of the club, he cussed all of them and chased away this one, and then this one came, they wants to beat this one. Hey, Jesus! The way white men in Kenya are having the best life ever. You guys would think I'm joking. A white man, I have seen, I saw it. White men, they come. They don't know how to dance. Their only dancing is, yeah. Yeah! Black girl is there. If the black girl is playing hard to get, or the black girl is dancing, having fun, minding her own business, this is exactly what a white man does in the club. And this is on period. On God, I saw it with my 2 eyes and I recorded everything. They come, they stand. They stand, they look at the girl. The way those white men, I was looking at them and wanting to slap them, I tell you. The Ugandan in me could not. Me, I was complaining, thinking Ugandan women are the lawlessness when it comes to white men. Like they will literally put themselves on the floor for white men to walk over. Kenyan women are on the next level, according to my experience. These white men, they don't chase Kenyan girls. The Kenyan girls do the chasing. The white men, oh my God, I tell you. These girls, they don't even buy them nothing. I feel like at least for the passport bros, they have to talk. For the black passport bros, they have to talk. When a Kenyan girl hears the accent, then they feel like they want to go. Then now they're intrigued because he's a foreigner. They don't have the privilege that a white man has in Kenya of skin color. And passport bros, they gotta go through everything. Jesus Christ.
Like the whole case of like, oh, they're gonna see us, they're gonna take our money and all this is like a fallacy.
So we complain, they be playing women. Oh, we be complaining, passport bros. No, they have all the rights. By the way, women these days will say my body, my choice. No one is forcing the Kenyan women. So passport bros, yeah, do your thing. And you know what I realized? Even if a white man in Kenya is broke, black Kenyan girls will jump towards that white man. So from today onwards, I'm gonna post a video on my channel, this channel mine. Watch there and come back and tell me what you think. Yeah, if you feel what I feel after watching that video, you will stop complaining about passport bros. I tell you. That's what I'm gonna say. That's what I'm gonna say. I know when Kenyan people find this video, they're gonna grill me to the 10. But I would like to apologize in advance, my sisters in Nairobi. But what I saw, the white man is living large. Even if he is broke here, you will never know. Because he can bag anyone just with his skin tone.